Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing today? I know. You're probably like, who is this guy? Why is he here? Well, guess what? Let me introduce myself. My name is Carmelo. I am T's husband. Today is going to be a different vlog for you guys today. We're going to switch it up a little bit. We're trying something new. So, however, we are going out on a family venture today. And we plan on taking you guys. So, hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let's go.
Ken, where are we going?
To Santa Claus.
To see Santa Claus?
Yes.
Nala, where are we going?
To
Santa Claus?
yeah.
Okay, let's go. Look.
He calls it that way.
That way? Is he Santa?
That way.
What you gonna say, Nala?
He's that way.
Yeah? Alright. What you gonna tell Santa, Daddy?
I need $1 million.
In real quick for me, and then move on around. I love the outfit.
Wait, thank you. Is he Santa?
Careful. Hi.
Go ahead, baby.
Nope.
Oh, it's okay. I'm right here. Come on.
Daddy, come on, Daddy. Come on.
Look, I got jingle bells.
You see her shoe? You want Russian taste?
Smile. Look.
Merry Christmas!
Look over here. Uh-oh. She wants to get down.
You not doing it this year?
No. Some food for the reindeers? Come on. Oh, keep mixing it up. You gotta mix up the magic. Mama, mix it up. You don't like it? Here you go, honey. Here's your reindeer food. Say thank you. You're welcome. You want to be Spider-Man? Okay. Nana, what do you want? Or you? We're not going to be. Oh, you want that one? 13? Okay, 1 and 13.
going to Chuck E. Cheese?
Yes. Chuck E. Cheese. There's the games. There's the ticket, right?
Right. Games and tickets. Right, Nala?
Uh-oh. One, two. Oh, I missed it. You gotta do it faster. Wait. Are you guys having fun at Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah.
How was the pizza?
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all ready to play some more games?
Yeah.
All right. What's up, guys? We just left Chuck E. Cheese. The kids had an amazing time.
They did.
Right now, I think they're about to go to sleep. Well, one is whiny, as you can hear. We're about to go into Target and look around. Have to get a few things.
We love Target. And because we love Target, like...
Out of the week, we're pretty much here maybe every other day.
We're not. We don't love it that much. But we come here.
We prefer this than Walmart.
We do. We're
Because
Team Target.
I can't take Walmart.
Baby girl's crying.
Yes.
We just left Chuck E. Cheese. We had a full day. Like, we went to breakfast with Santa, and then we did a little lunch, and then we did Chuck E. Cheese, a birthday party. Now we're at Target, and we'll see what the night has in store for us.
So let's get it. You see that car right there behind me? All right, in this car right here, this is our home. This is our SUV. This is mine. This is my remote to our SUV. Okay? And that Grand Marquis right behind me, somehow it goes off every time I press my car alarm button. I'm not kidding. Look, proof. This is my car. Right? Now watch this. And it goes off. That is crazy. Oh man. Wasn't that crazy though? That was crazy. I don't know. I'm just speechless. Like, I would never thought that would happen. You know? But I just hope it don't happen to me one day. Just munching away. That's the only thing. When we come to Target, that's all they want. It's the pizza and juice. Other than that, they don't want nothing out of Target. Maybe a couple toys, but nothing too crazy. And plus, they have a 30% off on the clothing here. Like, they got some deals going on.
I just got this dress yesterday. True story. It's actually in the car. It's actually in the car. So I'm going to show you guys that it's in the car. I got this from the liquidator store for $2. New with tags. They have Target stuff.
$29.99.
You gotta shop for me though.
That's nice for Nala.
It's an adult, but
Oh, I thought that was sleeves. I'm so sorry.
see.
That jacket is fine.
Do it for the YouTube. Do it for the YouTube.
Oh,
Do it for the
man.
YouTube.
I might have to do it.
No, Kevin. What?
No way.
Oh,
He comes
no,
with
wait.
pants.
Hold on, I got the pants and tie.
He comes with pants. Do it for the YouTube.
I'll do the jacket, but not the pants.
Oh, good, y'all. I don't even know what this is, but it's a chocolate. Okay, let me read it. Dark chocolatey coated marshmallow with peppermint. I will probably have a
Mommy,
sugar attack,
No.
but it looks so good.
Mommy, let me see.
You want to see it? Listen, look at it. Look, look.
Oh.
Alright guys, leaving Target. We didn't buy anything this time. Kind of browse around. We are looking for a gift for someone's birthday. Yeah, you know what? Let's see if the car is still there. So let's see, cause my wife, she's kind of iffy about it, but we'll see. I'm gonna show her in person. I got the key in my hand, so we gonna see if it does it again, which was weird. I kid you not, this is no joke. That really happened. That really happened. So when we get to the car, I'll show you. This is what happens when you park your car on the other side of this grass area and you gotta drag the cart because it's wet. It's raining. I got 2 heavy kids in the cart, so it's hard for my wife to push, so I gotta hold the front end.
Why? Why are we doing this? Why is this necessary?
Alright, so we're here. So I'm gonna hand my wife the key this time. So hold on. The key. And I'm here. Hold on. Before she do anything. Now. This is our car. Again, this is our SUV. Now you have the key. You do it.
What am I hitting?
Lock. I kid you not. I was not lying. That car went off. This is our car. Press our horn so they can hear the difference.
How do you hit our horn?
Just hit the lock. Just hit the lock. That's not our car going off. That's the other car.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding you. We are, what are we doing now?
I don't know. Maybe we'll catch up with my brother.
We're gonna catch up with our brother-in-law and his wife. We're gonna kick it with them. And then we get back to you. We get back to y'all when we figure out what we're gonna do. We are back home, you guys. We had a great day today. The kids have fun today. We appreciate you guys checking out our video, showing us some love and support. Please hit that like button, subscribe, follow us on our Instagrams, and also in the comment box, leave a comment on what you guys want us to do. Like we up for challenges. We're not big prank people, but suggest it anyway, and we'll talk about it. We love you. We thank you. Talk to you guys another time. Say peace, blessings.